Alrighty guys, here's some things you'll probably find in your everyday kitchen microwave. I will have a video after I get this thing torn apart and show you what I got. Alrighty guys, I got the microwave tore down. We got a little bit of sheet iron along with the carcass. Over here, we do have the transformer, which makes it so heavy. You want to file down those copper looking wires and to find out if they're actually copper or if they're aluminum. In this case, they are aluminum. There was a little electric motor with some brass tabs I'm going to pull off, and I'll toss that into the electric motor pile. There was this little motor in here. I'll take a knife or something and cut this off and throw all this copper into my number 2, and I will take this apart and get out the motor. You can also use some wire snips to get these little pieces of copper out. They do add up, so it's up to you if you want to waste your time with that or not. We got a basic little power board with a transformer and this little guy with copper prongs. Not too much on here, maybe a capacitor here. We also got 3 silver switches. I just been saving those up. Eventually I will refine the silver dots in them. Over here we got some silver mylar. Now these take a lot to get any kind of trace of silver recovery. I just toss them into a box and forget about them for a while. We got a little bit of wire here. We got the power cord, which you can clip this end off. They are brass. They don't look like it, but I think they're nickel-plated brass. I will be saving those up until I make plug soup, which I'll do a video on that later on. Now the capacitor. You're going to want to be careful with this. Don't touch those 2 prongs together or it can seriously shock you. Just be very careful and cautious with these. Looks like this one's running 2100 volts. Just be super careful. Also, with the magnetron here, I'd be careful with these. Don't scratch this up, because if you breathe this powder in on this cap, it is beryllium. That can cause serious breathing issues, all kinds of nasty stuff. You don't want to scratch it and breathe that in. But the magnetron does have a brass ring. There's some aluminum fins in here, some copper wires in this box. There is also another one of these caps on the other side, so just be mindful and careful when you're taking it apart. There are some of these big magnets in here too. The actual beryllium core has a big copper piece in it, so it's up to you if you want to grind that down and take that out. Just be super careful. Maybe look up a YouTube video and check it out. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.